Hey everyone, it's Mark over at Toy Hauler Depot. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the Alliance Valor 36 V11. So first off, right here we're in our patio setup. It's going to have the little playpen. Just how it's set up like this, you guys can have about 1,500 pounds on here. When it is on the ground, when you're loading your toys into the garage, you can have about 3,000 pounds. Moving in here, this is going to be an 11-foot garage, okay? One thing that I do like about this coach is that instead of having tie downs, what they're going to actually do is put tracks on either side of the garage and one in the center too. So you can tie down virtually anything, anywhere. Moving back into here, we are going to have the smaller restroom. So when the kids are staying in the garage, you know, they have the ability to go to the restroom out here instead of going into the main cabin of the trailer itself. Like every other garage for many fifth wheel toy haulers, it is going to have the regular Happy Jack system. The couch is underneath with the main queen above it. And then right here, it even comes with the built-in TV. It's even got a little pull-down latch. Drop that TV down, nice, you know, bedtime, kids can watch a movie. All right, moving along inside of the trailer. First thing to your left, you're gonna have the nice big TV setup. It's gonna have the JBL sound system built in. It is inside, outside, and both. With the fireplace below it, it does actually push out some heat. Another thing about this company and their trailers, what they're doing is every single cabinet and drawer is going to be a soft close with magnets. So you're not having to yank on it, nothing slams around. Coming into the kitchen, we are going to have the nice 4-burner stove, big oven. You guys can, they even advertise you can cook a full turkey in here. And of course, you are coming up, you're going to have your microwave. A lot of the same features for most of the toy haulers. One thing about the Alliance Valor brand is that they are going to be the masters of 12 volt. Okay, so they make everything on the coach 12 volts accessible, which is very, very nice. This coach does come with the 5500 Onus Cummins generator, premium solar package upgrade, as well as lithium batteries. All the countertops are going to be epoxy resin. And as you can see, they put the nice big farm style sink in here. And then moving up into the master bedroom area. Walk right in. So dresser right here, still gonna have these soft closed drawers, everything like that. And then it even got a little hidden storage compartment up top. Put your keys, your wallet, guns, whatever. And above it, they do have it all wired up for TV, everything ready to go for you guys. For the bed, you are going to have a queen bed, and they do upgrade it with a Serta mattress. All right, coming around right here, we're going to have our Jack and Jill bathroom. Big shower. It's even got a seat inside of it. It does have the dome for some of the taller gentlemen, you know, have to get in here and shower. Right here, you are going to have a decent sized vanity. Nice little medicine cabinet up top. You have a little bit of storage in here. All the doors in this coach as well are going to be the farm style sliders, which gives it a nice feel, more homey feel to the trailer. Right here, you're going to have the nice big 4-seater Kingston recliner couch as well too. The end two are going to be the electric recliners. The middle two are going to have the pull cables right here between the cushions. And they even integrate USB chargers on the armrests of all of their sofas. Thing I do love about this brand right here is that they're starting to integrate their own air compressors within the coach itself. So if you guys need to fill up your tires for your toys, or even the tire for the coach itself, it's already built in. It does come with the hose. So coming around the side, guys, you're gonna have the outdoor speakers right here. It does even have power hookup. In the front of the trailer, what they started integrating is, instead of having the generator up higher, they decided to drop it down just a little bit and put this storage compartment above it. So it's easy access for all of your, you know, your hand cranks, you know, if you need a drill or anything like that. And it does even help with the sound barrier to the master bedroom if you are running the generator. So driver's side of the storage compartment, you're gonna have all of your tank hookups. What they do here is you're gonna have all of your pull cables on the inside, so you have to get underneath the coach to drain all your tanks. Right here, they're gonna have all these knobs. It's really, really easy. Put in the right configuration to open the certain tank that you wanna open up. If you wanna winterize it or dry camping, sanitize. This trailer does have 98 gallons of fresh water and 106 for gray and black. To sum everything up, this is the Alliance Valor 36 V11. Thanks for watching, guys. Use promo code MC41 for the next time you guys come to Toy Hauler Depot at 99 Central to save on your next purchase. Click down below and subscribe.